Hello learners, I hope you all are doing good. This is third and last part of urban administration. So now Yasmin Khala continue. The women were very unhappy about the situation and even came to me for advice. I said I could try and speak with some officer in the department, but I wasn't sure how long it would take. And now Gangabai come into picture. They collected all the ladies and tell them that we will go to ward councillor and protest over there. And now Gangabai gathered small group of women and went to ward councillor's home, and they began shouting slogans in front of his house. And then ward councillor came out and asked them what was wrong. And then Gangabai described the situation in the locality to a ward councillor, and then ward councillor promised Gangabai that he will go next day with them to commissioner. And a ward councillor also asked Gangabai to get a petition signed by all the adults in the locality saying that a garbage was not being collected. He suggested that taking a local sanitization engineer with them next day might be a good idea. And now they put an effort to make sure that all the family sign that petition, and the next day a large group of women and ward councillor and the sanitization engineer went to a municipal corporation office. The commissioner met with this large group, and they start giving excuse for not completion of their work, that they are not having enough trucks, and that's why they are not able to send those trucks to their locality. But now Gangabai smartly replied. She said, but you seem to have enough trucks to collect garbage from a rich locality. And now Gangabai threatened that if it was not done in 2 days, a large group of women would protest in front of corporation. And now Rehana asked a question to Yasmin Khala. So did the streets got clean? And then Yasmin Khala replied, well, not within 2 days. And then after a large and a more noisy protest happened, and the sanitization service in the locality become more regular. And Rihanna said, wow, this sounds like a Bollywood film with a happy ending. And now Rihanna said, who I have one last question, Khala. The 2 dustbin that we have at home now, are they also an idea of a Gangabai? And then Khala began laughing and said, no, not really. The municipal corporation was the one who suggested that step to make our streets clean. And when we shot our own garbage, it reduced their work. And so here we have completed our chapter Urban Administration. If you are having any doubt related to this chapter, we are going to discuss that thing in our interactive sessions. So thank you and see you at interactive sessions.